In this video, we'll demonstrate how to send a PDF file through WhatsApp on your mobile device. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to send PDFs via WhatsApp with confidence. But before we dive into the steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to send PDFs on WhatsApp. Your feedback and support inspire us to create more valuable content, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you need to send a PDF document via WhatsApp, but you're not sure how to do it? We've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to send PDF files through WhatsApp. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Navigate to your chats. Choose an existing conversation or start a new one to send the PDF file. In the chat window, you'll notice a plus icon, typically located at the bottom left or right corner of the chat interface. Tap on it. Among the options that appear, select Document. This allows you to attach and send documents, including PDFs. Now, you need to locate the PDF file you want to send. You can scroll through your recent documents, or you can use the search bar if needed. To browse specific folders on your device, tap Browse. In the folder browser, you can navigate through your device's folders. For example, you can access On My iPhone if you're using an iOS device, or explore other directories. Find the folder where your PDF file is located. Once you've located your PDF file, tap on it to select it. If you have multiple files to send, you can checkmark them at this stage. After selecting the PDF file, tap Add or Open. The wording may vary depending on your device. The chosen PDF file will be attached to your WhatsApp message. You can now include any additional message or comments in the chat. When you're ready to send the PDF file, tap the Send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a PDF file through WhatsApp. Your selected contact or group will receive the PDF, and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.